Hi guys, welcome back, and from this video I'm starting the QTAKE playlist where I will tell you everything which you need to know to operate the QTAKE like a pro. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. So I work in Dubai as a DIT, and many times we are asked as a DIT to be DIT plus QTAKE operator because this is a commercial based industry here. For that I have done many shoots where I had to do DIT plus QTAKE, and in that situation I had two laptops, Macs or one Mac Mini and one Mac M2 Max, and that's how I configured it. And in this first video I'm just going to show you how you guys can download the QTAKE. So let's just jump into that. So if I come on my browser and I search QTAKE download, you will see this page, and that's where I was stuck when I was starting. I couldn't find anything. If I open it, I can't find any of the download link here. So if I accept it, you can see it's showing these things, what is QTAKE and how it works, but it never shows you how you can download. Most of the time in support of the websites there is download option, but here we don't have. We just have the user manual or video tutorials, but that doesn't really help us. So what we do is basically we go back and I will search for QTAKE rental shop. And once I open this, it will ask me to sign in, and if you don't have an account with QTAKE rental, you have to come here and sign up and make a new account as an operator or owner account. So you can choose and then you can make your account. But for me, I have my account, so I will literally just put my mail and my password, and then I will sign in. So once you are logged in here and you have a QTAKE rental account, here you can see the latest version of your QTAKE. So I have QTAKE Pro and QTAKE Pro NFR. For you guys who are trying to learn, the most important thing is going to be QTAKE Pro NFR. Why? Because when we work with QTAKE, we need to learn it. And for learning it, you can't pay QTAKE and have the license every day for $100 or $200 and then just learn it. So they have made it easier for us. They have made a version which is called QTAKE Pro NFR, which if I will download it, I will have all the features from QTAKE Pro. I can practice on this, and then when I have a real shoot, I can buy the license and work with the QTAKE Pro. So both of these you need to download. So literally if we click on this, we will be able to download. So I would highly recommend you to download both of these, and my QTAKE version is not 2.5 for now, so I will have to install it, and in this way I can show you guys. But before we start, I will recommend you one thing, that your Mac security you'll have to decrease for many reasons. First of all, to install as well, and then there are gonna be drivers from Aja or Blackmagic which needs that kind of permissions, which in the higher security version of Mac you can't. So I'll link the video in description which you can watch and decrease your security of Mac. And once it's having the less security, then you can install QTAKE and all these drivers which are required. So it's downloading for now, and I can see the QTAKE Pro NFR is installed. So I will double click on this, and it will open this page for me. So I'll say continue install. I'll give my password. It's writing the files. There you go. It's saying the installation was successful. But in your case, it might not do this. It will ask you for many permissions when you're doing it for the first time. So if you guys are having any problem while installing the QTAKE Pro or QTAKE Pro NFR version, I am there in the comments. Whenever you will comment in 1 to 2 hours, I'll make sure that I'll reply to these comments, and I'll make sure that there is no problem for you guys when you are installing. For now, in this video, I want to stop here. I don't want to complicate it. I just wanted to show you guys how you can install it. In the next video, I will tell you how you can install the driver of your capture card. Let's say you are using Blackmagic or Aja or any of the drivers, how you can go on their websites, download the drivers, configure them, because the capture cards are going to be very important to configure with QTAKE. If the capture card is not properly configured with your Mac, you will not be able to have the input in your camera, in your Mac system, first of all in your QTAKE, and then you will not be able to have the output for monitors and everything. So it's very important. So I'll stop here and see you in the next video.